Good morning. Well, today on the bench we have all of these devices. These were I have ordered from Japanese. So as you can see, there are quite a few of them, and so some of them are very nice units. Also, this one is unusual color. It's BL55 one, and we have one mini disc player recorder that we will also repair in the videos. So from now starts all of these devices repairs. Yeah, so week by week we will repair one by one of these devices. Yeah, so this series will be Japanese special, so stay tuned, and I hope you will like those videos and those repairs, and you will also, I hope that you will learn something from me, will grab some experience, and as always, consider supporting my channel. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in all of these repairs. Cheers.